Dear participant, today I am going to demonstrate the use of Socrative. Socrative is an application teachers can engage students in real time using computers, tablets, or smartphones. Socrative is completely free and easy to use. With Socrative, you can do activities in your classroom. Today, in this tutorial, the student's device is represented by the picture on the left, and the teacher's device is represented by the web browsers on the right. Note that you need to have Socrative account in order for you to be able to use this application. You can sign up and begin filling some necessary information there. First, I will show you the login process. So I put my email address, daniel.ginting@matchun.ac.id, and then I put my password. Okay, and then click sign in. Yeah. And the students has to enter the teacher's room number. And there is my room number, Dan Ginting. So the students begin typing Dan Ginting in order for them to join. And then click join. Okay. Oh, here you go. So anytime you see this sign, it means that you cannot start the quiz yet. You have to wait for your teachers to begin. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to demonstrate is how to create quiz. Okay, first of all, I would like to show you some icons here. For example, there you can see quiz. So you can create quizzes with Socrative, whether they are in the form of multiple choice, true false question, and short answers. And you can even turn the activities into competitive ones called space race. And also you can check your students' comprehensions at the end of your class, so you can use the exit ticket. Alright, so here I'd like to show you how to create a quiz. And I choose if my quiz is right here, like this. Wait, one. So I have to type my quiz names. For example, grammar. Suppose I'm teaching grammar. Okay, and then my first quiz is multiple choice, and I click this. So this is what it looks like when I make my quiz, and then I make multiple choice questions, and then I've just clicked multiple choice. Then I'm going to put my questions right here. Okay, so for examples, my first questions is I miss and blah 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 the news when I am traveling. Okay, something like this. And then I'm going to put down my option. For example, it's like to watch, and then watching, and then to, something like to read. Okay, and I'm going to put in a check mark for the right answer, and this is the right answer, watching. Okay, All right, and then actually you can give some more feedback to your students about the questions. So you can give feedbacks or explanations. For examples like, you need to use gerund or verb ing after certain verbs, like or such as miss, or yeah, like postpone, deny, something like this. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to save it. Okay, that's my first question. All right, so you can continue making another questions by clicking something like you have some more options here, whether it is true, false, or short answer. So okay, something like this. For examples, like, I want to meet my teachers. Okay, so this is true, false questions. So this is the right answer. So you click this. Okay, and then you can give some more explanations like, you need to use to participle. Okay. All right. Or verbs like request. Okay. And then you can click save. Okay, here you go. So I have done my quiz. Okay, and then I scroll up and then click save and exits. Okay, my quiz is saved. And then what happens with my students here? Okay, now I'm going to launch my quiz. So I click launch. Okay, and I click the quiz again. Okay, next I'm going to launch my quiz. Then I click launch and take a look at my quizzes, and then I click my quiz that is grammar, and then into all right, and then I'm going to launch my quiz that is grammar, and then I click grammar here, and then there are some options for you, like disable students name, randomized questions order, randomized answers order, disable students feedback, disable students result, and I'm not going to use them now. So to launch the quiz, I click start. Okay, now take a look at the student Socrative. Then they can do the quiz, and they start typing the name, for example Agus, and then this down, and this is the quiz then. So I miss the news when I'm traveling. Suppose Agus is answering B, right? And then submit the answers. Okay, here you go. That's correct answers. Okay, and then start doing the questions. Number one, I want to meet my teacher. Okay, well, this is false. Agus is mistaken. Yeah, that's incorrect. So the answer is I want to meet my teacher. That's true answer. All right, so that's done. And for the teacher, teachers can get the report about the students' work in the quiz. And that's all my explanations about Socrative, and I hope that this explanation is going to be helpful for you. Thank you very much.